Hi Collision, my name is Ronnie Brazil. You can find me on Instagram at RonnieJim0. I've been playing for over a decade now. I started when I was 10 years old and I've been playing ever since then. I am an independent artist and I play for HG Brockton Church Band. Today I'm using the Collision 5BR drumstick. I absolutely love these sticks because they are very durable. I usually go through like two pairs of sticks a week, but these have held their own. Second, I love how comfortable they are in my hand. They don't slip, and I have a good time playing with them. Lastly, they are extremely versatile. I play gospel, Haitian music, metal sometimes, and it doesn't matter what genre I'm playing. And I can always count on these to provide the best sound for me. What I'm about to play today is actually a snapshot of a live performance that I did the other day. I forgot to record the intro, but hopefully.